Hi, I'm Jeff Brown, Vice President of Technical Applications and Innovation here at Agronomic IQ. I'm very excited to announce today the release of our Evolution 4X line. The Evolution 4X is the culmination of a couple of years of work and voice of customer feedback and how we can really improve our indoor split offering to growers and control your space more efficiently and more accurately. What we've done with this is we've added a second compressor to each deck of the Evolution in the 25 and 32-ton platforms. What that means is that you've got a dual compressor, a dual circuit design on each deck, so 4 compressors in total. And those are interacting with the airstream by means of an interlaced evaporator coil. And that gives us 12 stages of cooling to your space. That allows us to control the space very, very accurately in terms of sensible heat ratio and how much cooling versus dehumidification we're doing for your space. And it reduces our overall compressor runtime and your energy costs as a result. The benefit of doing it in this way with the interlaced evaporator coil and 2 separate circuits is it means that by adding that additional stage of control or those additional stages of control, we haven't created a multi-compressor circuit. And a multi-compressor circuit can lead to cascading failures. So we've managed to increase your number of compressors and the amount of control that we've got in your space, and also managed to increase our redundancy and fault tolerance overall. Great things for your grow. This, of course, still has all of the Evolution features that you guys are used to and know and love. Things like a completely separate dual air path, dual compressor circuit design. That gives us the ability to, again, achieve some really great levels of redundancy and control for your room. We achieve very accurate space control with 100% reheat and fully modulating valves or control between air conditioning and reheat. ECM plenum fans deliver efficient, powerful airflow. Compressor vestibule and electrical panel are both out of that air path, the process air path, allowing maintenance or routine maintenance to happen while the unit is still running. And it ensures that you don't have any contamination between your mechanical space and whatever mechanical work is happening and your process air path. And of course, we've got gross entry integration, allowing for a greater control and visibility into what's happening in these units in real time. We also, as part of this innovation effort, have managed to sneak in some other things. The most notable there is internal electric heaters. That eliminates the electric heater on the supply air outlet, both top, bottom, and horizontally. And that enables us to reduce our installation footprint, make it easier and simpler to install, and again, a fair bit smaller as well. Very important. These units are airflow measuring capable, which means that your balancing happens in a much easier and more accurate way. It also means that we can control airflow on the basis of things like dirty filters, or increase our fan speed as your filters load up to ensure that your space gets the airflow it was designed for the whole time. Obviously, some controls enhancements are necessary when we go from a mere 6 stages of control to 12, but that's what we've done here, and so there's some pretty significant controls enhancements. And again, one of the big challenges, of course, in maintaining the same footprint but adding additional parts is maintaining serviceability. And I think that we've really managed to do a great job of that in the design. You can see in the compressor vestibule that you've got access to all of the parts. You've got access to the compressors, the receivers, your TX valves, your 3-way valves. All of that stuff is easily accessible, easy to service. And so we've really managed to improve on every aspect of these units, increase our serviceability, increase control, increase our redundancy, and decrease your operating costs. It's a home run. If you have any questions about the Evolution 4X or any of the Ag IQ products, please feel free to get a hold of us, and we'd be happy to help you out on your next project.